SEBA Insert 2024 to 2025. Class 9. English Grammar. Tense forms. Fully solved in one short video. A. Multiple choice questions, MCQ, Mark 1. 21. The light went out while I _ newspaper. A. Had read, B. Read. C. Was reading, D. None of these. Answer C. Was reading. Explanation. The sentence describes an interruption in the past. One action, reading the newspaper, was in progress when another action, the light went out, happened. In such cases, we use the past continuous tense, was were plus verb ing, for the ongoing action. Structure, while plus past continuous, simple past. So, was reading is the correct choice. 22. They _ since 4 o'clock. A. Are playing, B. Play. C. Have been playing, D. None of these. Answer C. Have been playing. Explanation. The phrase since 4 o'clock indicates an action that started in the past and is still continuing. The present perfect continuous tense, have has been plus verb ing, is used for such ongoing actions. Structure, subject plus have has been plus verb ing. So, have been playing is the correct choice. 23. It's time we _ home. A. Returned, B. Return. C. Have returned, D. None of these. Answer A. Returned. Explanation. The phrase it's time is usually followed by the past simple tense to express that something should happen now or soon. Though it looks like the past tense, it actually refers to the present or near future. Structure, it's time plus subject plus past simple. So, returned is the correct choice. 24. You _ with dolls when you were a little girl. A. Have played, B. Played. C. Had played, D. None of these. Answer B. Played. Explanation. The sentence refers to a past habit, when you were a little girl. For past habits or actions that happened at a specific time in the past, we use the simple past tense, played. Structure, subject plus past tense verb. So, played is the correct choice. 25. Would always _ A. Float, B. Is floating. C. Floats, D. None of these. Answer C. Floats. Explanation. The sentence states a general truth or scientific fact. For such statements, we use the simple present tense, floats. Structure, subject plus base verb, plus ss for singular subjects. So, floats is the correct choice. 26. Rupam _ home before it started raining. A. Reached, B. Has reached. C. Had reached, D. Reaches. Answer C. Had reached. Explanation. The sentence describes two past events, Rupam reaching home and the rain starting. The past perfect tense, had plus past participle, is used for the action that happened first, reaching home, while the simple past tense is used for the later action, it started raining. Structure, past perfect, had reached, plus simple past, started raining. So, had reached is the correct choice. 27. Deepa _ a letter now. A. Write, B. Writes. C. Is writing, D. Has written. Answer C. Is writing. Explanation. The word now indicates that the action is happening at the present moment. For actions occurring right now, we use the present continuous tense, ism are plus verb ing. Structure, subject plus ism are plus verb ing. So, is writing is the correct choice. 28. I _ him yesterday. A. Saw, B. Had seen. C. Have seen, D. None of these. Answer A. Saw. Explanation. The word yesterday refers to a specific time in the past, so we use the simple past tense, saw. Structure, subject plus past tense verb. So, saw is the correct choice. 29. It underscore for a week. A. Is raining. B. Has been raining. C. Rains. D. Were raining. Answer B. Has been raining. Explanation. The phrase, for a week indicates an action that started in the past and is still continuing. The present perfect continuous tense, has have been plus verb ing, is used for such ongoing actions. Structure, subject plus has have been plus verb, ing. So, has been raining is the correct choice. 30. Water underscore at 100 degrees Celsius. A. Balls. B. Are boiling. C. Boil. D. None of these. Answer A. Balls. Explanation. The sentence states a scientific fact. For general truths or scientific facts, we use the simple present tense, balls. Structure, subject plus base verb, plus ss for singular subjects. So, balls is the correct choice. 31. It's time we underscore home. A. Have returned. B. Returned. C. Had returned. D. Return. Answer B. Returned. Explanation. The phrase it's time is usually followed by the past simple tense to express that something should happen now or soon. Though it looks like the past tense, it actually refers to the present or near future. Structure, it's time plus subject plus past simple. So, returned is the correct choice. 32. Ricky underscore when I saw him. A. Is playing. B. Was playing. C. Played. D. Has played. Answer B. Was playing. Explanation. The sentence describes an ongoing past action, Ricky playing, that was interrupted by another past event, I saw him. The past continuous tense, was were plus verb ing, is used for the action that was in progress. Structure, past continuous, was playing, plus simple past, saw him. So, was playing is the correct choice. 33. He underscore to you. A. Speaks. B. Will speak. C. Has spoken. D. None of these. Answer B. Will speak. Explanation. Since there is no specific time reference, the sentence likely refers to a future action. The simple future tense, will plus verb, is used for actions that will happen later. Structure, subject plus will plus base verb. So, will speak is the correct choice. 34. He underscore in Jorhat for a long time. A. Lived. B. Had lived. C. Was living. D. Has lived. Answer D. Has lived. Explanation. The phrase, for a long time suggests an action that started in the past and is still continuing. The present perfect tense, has have plus past participle, is used for such actions. Structure, subject plus has have plus past participle. So, has lived is the correct choice. 35. Diganta underscore for 2 hours and so he felt tired. A. Was singing. B. Sang. C. Had been singing. D. Sings. Answer C. Had been singing. Explanation. The sentence describes a past action that continued for a period of time before another past event, he felt tired. The past perfect continuous tense, had been plus verb ing, is used to show the duration of the first action. Structure, past perfect continuous, had been singing, plus simple past, felt tired. So, had been singing is the correct choice. 36. I cannot do now what I underscore 10 years ago. A. Did. B. Have done. C. Had done. D. None of these. Answer A. Did. Explanation. The phrase 10 years ago refers to a specific time in the past, so we use the simple past tense did. Structure. Subject plus past tense verb. So, did is the correct choice. 37. Dolly underscore a doll now. A. Makes. B. Is making. C. Will make. D. Has been making. Answer B. Is making. Explanation. The word now indicates that the action is happening at the present moment. For actions occurring right now, we use the present continuous tense, ism r plus verb ing. Structure. Subject plus ism r plus verb ing. So, is making is the correct choice. 38. Sachin underscore at the station after the train had left. A. Arrived. B. Has arrived. C. Had arrived. D. None of these. Answer A. Arrived. Explanation. The sentence describes two past events, the train leaving and Sachin arriving. The past perfect tense, had left, is used for the earlier action, while the simple past tense, arrived, is used for the later action. Structure. Past perfect, had left plus simple past, arrived. So, arrived is the correct choice. 39. I underscore chess this time tomorrow. A. Shall play. B. Shall be playing. C. Play. D. None of these. Answer B. Shall be playing. Explanation. The phrase this time tomorrow indicates an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For such cases, we use the future continuous tense, shall will be plus verb ing. Structure. Subject plus shall will be plus verb ing. So, shall be playing is the correct choice. 40. The Indians underscore in India. A. Lives. B. Are living. C. Live. D. Has been living. Answer C. Live. Explanation. The sentence states a general truth. For general facts or universal truths, we use the simple present tense, live. Structure. Subject plus base verb, plus ss for singular subjects. So, live is the correct choice.